So now that you have created your web hosting account, it is time to install WordPress on your domain. Remember, we told you there are two things you need to create a website with WordPress. One of them is web hosting, which of course you've created already. So the second thing is a domain. But the good thing is with Starterhub, you don't need to own a domain to start building a website. Or you can create a website on a subdomain and later on register your domain and connect your website to it. So that is what we are going to do right now. So we are going to let you create a website on a free subdomain and then register a domain later when you're ready and connect it to your website. So to do that, you have to log into client area from your Starter Hub control panel. So once you log into your client area from your Starter Hub control panel, click hosting. So from hosting, click add hosting. Once you click add hosting, enter the name of the domain you want to add. You want to install WordPress on. So it doesn't necessarily need to be a live domain. You can register a domain later. So if you don't have a domain available yet, just enter any imaginary domain here. For instance, something like this, zarodavis.com. And then under select allowance, choose your hosting package from here and click add hosting. So once you click add hosting, it's going to wait a couple of minutes for your hosting to be added to your domain, and it's going to redirect you to a page that will show you the hosting package you have added. It will look something like this. So now it is time to install WordPress on this domain. This is going to come as a subdomain. To do that, click manage. So once you click manage, is going to open up the WordPress tools for you, which will enable you install WordPress on that domain. So the first thing you have to do here is to open the WordPress install wizard. So once you open WordPress install wizard, you see that this subdomain has been created for you. Now click continue, click continue. Remember the language is English. Click continue to install WordPress. This is the WordPress installation wizard. The first thing here is to enter the site title. What is the title of your website? Enter it. What is your username? Enter it. Create a password for your website. Create an email address. And once you've entered those details, click install WordPress. And WordPress will be installed within a few seconds. Good. The website has been created. You've installed WordPress. So now you can log into that website. You've just installed WordPress using the credentials you use, either your username or the email address. That is it. You have installed WordPress. The website is created. This is the dashboard of your website. So you can visit the front end of your website by entering the address on your web browser. This is a first look of your website. Very basic, nothing yet has been done here, no customizations. So that is it. Congratulations. You've been able to install WordPress and you've created your first website. So in the next lessons, we're going to talk about how you can customize this website and make it look exactly the way you want and add functionalities to it. See you.